I have a hypothetical for you. You're an up-and-coming content creator and you want to get into the space, and you find that every content creator you follow has a link in their bio. Link in bio here, a link in bio there. Hey, quick question for you. Did Abraham have a bio? I don't know, but if he did, he'd have a link in it.
That's supposed to be funny.
You want to get started on something that is not just a generic link to your Twitch page or your YouTube channel. You want to build a website. I'm going to show you how to do it in today's video. So get comfy and get ready and get rad, because it's showtime. Hold on, before we get started in this video, I need to make a couple things clear. FourthWall did not pay me to make this content. This is completely of my own doing. I love FourthWall and everything that they do and everything that they've done since I've been with them. I wanted to make an educational video so that I could show you how to build your brand just like I have been. Without further ado, let's get it, gamers. So first things first, you're going to want to go to fourthwall.com and click on Start Now. If you have a Gmail address, you can sign up with Google. If you have an Apple account, you can sign up with that. Or you can sign up with a regular email and just use the standard interface. I am going to sign up with email. Then I'm going to enter my password and we're going to hit continue. Now, what best describes you? We're going to say content creator, your name or nickname, FourthWall enthusiast. You pick a theme, you stick to it. Continue. Now, you're just a few steps away from launch. Perfect. This is where you can create your first product and connect your apps to help your growth. You can also add a referral link to your storefront so that if your friends or people you know want to also build a website with FourthWall, they can use your referral code. You can offer free shipping on large orders, boost sales, and set up a custom domain. But the first thing we want to do is we want to go to site design. Once you're here, it's going to give you a kind of generic layout that you can preview either using desktop or mobile, which is terrific that they have both. So what do you want your homepage to feature? You can always make changes to your choices later. You have the announcement bar, which would look something like that, image banner, which looks something like this, the featured collection, featured product, a link list, recent posts that you've made on your social media pages like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, membership tiers, because FourthWall offers that as well, and we can cover that in another video if you'd like, a donation page, your YouTube feed, your Instagram feed, and your TikTok feed directly. You have these options available so that people that visit your website can go directly to the social media page that you're trying to link. For now, we're just going to leave it as is with just an image banner and a few texts. We're going to hit continue. Logo. This is kind of a generated image that we can use, or we can upload our own image, and you can pick a color scheme. So if you want it to kind of tune to a simple liking, you can use it however you want, or you can choose custom colors. For me, I'm gonna leave a black background because I like websites in dark mode. So the text, I'm gonna make my primary brand color. And then for the primary image color, I'm gonna use the other brand color. And then text over primary, meaning where it says like explore the collection, we're also going to change that to black just to make it pop a little bit, but not enough to where it's like, oh my God. You want them to actually be able to read what's on your website. From here, we can select font pairing, anything that fits your vibe. Let's stick with this and we'll finish. This is where you can get into the customization. You'll have buttons that pop up as you hover over things. So on the top here, we can edit this section. And once you click away from it, you can actually click anywhere on the screen, but the text will just appear automatically. We can leave that as is, and we can go to the header, where the header layout for desktop can be center logo and the menu on the left. This is what I really like, but you can arrange it however you want. Cart and account link style. You can either do icons or text. And you can see the changes up here, but your cart will either say the word cart or it will have a shopping bag. The heading text is what you'll see up here. For the background itself, this is where it gets a bit more fun. So the overlay is going to be like a casted color onto the background itself. This can kind of darken it up. You can also choose to go in a different direction and give it a new kind of face to it. Or instead of using one of the stock images, you can just click the X here and it says drop image here or browse. Once you find either a static or GIF image that you want to use as your background, you just drop it in and then change the overlay as you'd like to. The favicon is something that shows up in the top of the tab, usually on the left-hand side. And again, we can either use a PNG image or a JPEG image. It is totally up to your preference. And once someone actually goes to the website, they'll be able to see that in real time as you update it. For product cards, this would be if you actually had a t-shirt that's for sale on the website. Moving on to this button over here that says theme. Once we actually get into the themes, there are a lot of options that are kind of pick and choose. Next to the save button up here on the top right, there is a coming soon drop-down menu, which can either make the site accessible to everyone, show a coming soon page, and schedule as live for a countdown timer, and the site goes live after it ends. We're gonna make this live and accessible for every one of you that have watched this video, so thank you for sticking with me so far. I appreciate it. We're gonna go ahead and save, and once you're done editing the website for now, you can actually click the FourthWall logo on the top left here, and this will bring you back to your dashboard. I wanted to cram so much more into this video, but I didn't have the time for it. So if you want to see more FourthWall focused content, follow them on social media or let me know in the comments. I want to thank FourthWall for everything they've done for me and other creators out there, and thank viewers like you for choosing me as your friendly neighborhood doctor. Until the next video, stay tuned and stay rad.